Alright viewers, here we have this Windward. I originally got this just as a motor from Adam, but I noticed that these tap blades fit perfectly. So I don't know if this is what is meant for this fan or whatnot. It's probably wood blades, but I love how this looks. Unfortunately, I cannot make this a reality without an extra blade, because this is taking up two sets of 3 blades. Come on, focus. Thank you. God, you're stupid camera. This is taking up 2 sets of 3 blades at the moment, and I really don't want to waste 2 sets of 3 blades on this fan. So if anyone has an extra blade that looks like that, it's 48 inches, let me know, because I will be interested in buying it and or trading for it and or whatever. Either way, since I got up just to test it, let's work my foot. Okay. Let's go ahead and go to medium low. The low speed on the controller doesn't work. I checked it because I was waiting for videos to upload. This is a very, very cool full-blade industrial. I love how this thing looks. So hopefully I'll find an extra blade. If not, I'll figure something out. Let's go ahead and go to medium high. Last off, let's go to high. Speed. It's quiet. It's smooth. It moves a pretty good amount of air. I really want to keep this fan and make it a thing. So if you do have an extra blade, please contact me via here, Facebook, or forums. This is a great looking fan. Windward. Alright, let's go ahead and do spin down. Go to the other side, so that light's not glaring. It's getting late out, so I'm going to start doing videos with the lights on. I know it doesn't really do much for the quality of the video, so I'll try and do some lesser fans. But this thing is just awesome. I really hope I can find an extra blade to make this a reality. The reason I only need one is because maybe a few months ago I found 2 TATS UFO motors. Both were supposedly 48 inch, but one motor was mislabeled and it was actually a 36 inch motor with 48 inch blades. Don't ask how that happens, I don't know. So either way, I had an extra set of blades, and then this thing came along. So I have 3 blades for it, I just need 1 more. I really like how this thing looks. It looks pretty awesome. It moves a great amount of air, so I want to make this thing real. So if anyone does have an extra, once again, 48 inch tap blade. It's not a curved blade. What it is, it's a straight blade with a circular tip, as you can see. It has a very unique look. And don't worry about it being off-weight or anything. I can always get the weights to match. I just need a blade like this. Very cool fan. Thanks for watching.